In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automations in Systeme.io. We're going to walk through the process inside a sales funnel so you can automatically trigger actions based on what a visitor or customer does. This is really useful because it helps you save time, stay organized, and make sure leads or buyers are handled consistently without you needing to do everything manually. First, log in and go to your Systeme.io dashboard. This is your main starting point, and from here you'll access the area where your funnel automations are managed. Next, click on Sites, and then choose Sales Funnels. This will take you to the section where all of your funnels are listed. From there, open the specific funnel you want to work with. Make sure you select the correct one, since the automation rule you create will apply to that funnel step. Once you're inside the funnel, click on Automation Rules. This is where you define what should happen automatically when someone interacts with that step. Then click Add Rule to begin creating a new automation. Now it's time to choose your trigger. Click the plus icon and select the event that will start the automation. The trigger is simply the action a person takes that tells Systeme.io to begin the next step automatically. If you're working with an opt-in page, choose Funnel Step Form Subscribed. That means the automation will run when someone submits the form on that page. If you're setting this up for a purchase page, choose New Sale instead. That way the automation starts only after a successful sale has been made. Choosing the correct trigger is important because it determines exactly when the rule runs. After that, select an action by clicking the blue plus icon next to Action. The action is what Systeme.io should do once the trigger happens. In this example, choose Add a Tag. Tags are very helpful for organizing contacts, tracking behavior, and segmenting people for future follow-up. Then select the tag you want to apply. Choose the tag that matches your goal so your contact list stays clear and easy to manage. For example, you might use different tags depending on whether someone subscribed through a form or completed a purchase. Finally, click Save Rule. Once saved, your automation will be active and ready to run whenever that trigger happens in the funnel. That's it. You've successfully created an automation rule in Systeme.io. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double check both the trigger and the action before saving, so everything works exactly the way you expect.